10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Hey, it's 2026 here. And today, it's already New Year. And also, do we have anything to do? Of course. But let's start. Segment number 1, greeting the family. To Mommy Ace and Jack Bruce, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Queso de bola!
To Daddy Brian, Lola Carmen, Lolo Flor, and Lola Zon, Happy New Year to all of you.
Happy New Year!
To Lola Rosel and Mama Rose, Happy New Year to both of you.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
And enjoy Mama Rosel's home kitchen.
Oh,
To Cousin Marcos, Tita Ann, Kuya Basti, Happy New Year to all. To Auntie My Dear, Uncle Jay, and Kuya Luis, Happy New Year to all of you.
Happy New Year!
To Lola Jingjing and Tita Noemi, Happy New Year to both of you.
Happy New Year!
Thank you. To Sandy, Happy New Year. Sandy, are you there? To Mercedes, Happy New Year to you. Segment number 2, montage of photos and videos from the previous New Year. New Year's Eve 2022 and New Year's Day 2023. New Year's Eve 2023 and New Year's Day 2024. New Year's Eve 2024 and New Year's Day 2025. New Year's Eve 2025 and New Year's Day 2026. A brief montage of videos from 2022 to 2026. More fun and more luck. Ready? Get set, go. Jump.
Go, pula ka na.
Happy New Year!
Ayun.
Oh, yun na!
Oh, Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Segment number 3, fireworks and jumping and dancing. Shot, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Ay,
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Alright, Happy New Year!
And last but not the least, segment number 4, greeting each other in the family a Happy New Year. Happy New Year
Happy New Year! Love you, Bram.
from the Grecos family. Here.
One more.
1, 2, 3, go!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to my best friends.
Happy
Happy New Year!
Thanks, Cass.
Thank you.
Love you!
Love you too.
Love you.
Happy New Year 2026 from Brem.